Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I got my hair in these cute knotless twists, passion twists, then stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I went ahead and sectioned my hair off, y'all, and honestly, me sectioning my hair off made this process go by way quicker. So this is the hair that I use, y'all. My friend gave this to me, that's why I only had one pack. But I really like this hair, and good thing I had extra hair here. Even though it was a different brand, it was the same water wave, but it did not twist the same. So FYI, just in case you run into that problem, just know all the twists will not look the same. So I go ahead and start off by plaiting my hair like I'm finna do a knotless braid. So I plait down maybe 2 times, and then I feed in one piece of hair, then I feed in another piece of hair, and I plait down probably 4 or 5 times. Once I plait down, I stop and then I split my hair evenly, and I start twisting in the direction that the hair would like to go. Now, you will not twist the way the hair wants to go every single time, and especially when you mix the hair. So y'all, I did use shining gel on the base of my plait to control flyaways, but I did not use it to define my parts. I normally don't use those type of products to define my part, because at the end of the day, all that does is create buildup. So y'all see how this hair came out once I let it go? It looked like it was already unraveling, even though that was a twist. So that is the funky looking twist that I'm talking about. So that let me know that I needed to twist the other way. So y'all, I finished up the front of my hair that night, y'all, and honestly, I was so tired this night. But anyway, I said, girl, go ahead and push through so you can do the back in the morning. And like I said, me having my hair already sectioned off really helped me do that super fast. So I woke up the next morning and finished the back. And before I got started with the back, I decided to take some of the twists down and include the other hair, because I was running out of this hair. Now I really wish I had more packs of this hair, because I like that hair a lot. Now, I was not keeping track of how long it took me to do my hair, but I could probably guess, like, it probably took me about 45 minutes to do the front and maybe about an hour to do the back. Because like I said, they were super big and I only had like 12 to do in the back. Alright, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking after I finished. I was in love, y'all. I needed something cute, simple, and quick, and this gave all of that for my birthday. So yeah, y'all, this is how it looked when I first finished it, and this is how it looked after the 2-week mark. So yeah, y'all, this is how I did my knotless passion twist, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.